21 days is volunteerism. Staff are here to support the youth.
Today we are at KCCA Community School in Kabalagala for the start and the launch of Yellow Care 2025.
This is one of the centers which is basically doing exclusively free services.
They have a school that works towards ICT, and one that we have donated today is a school of photography. We've donated to them video and still photography equipment and a studio worth about 25 million shillings. With our partner Baobab, we have been able to donate to them a full year's high-speed connectivity for them to sustain their school. So we have 500 trees donated by Roofings and 100 for this location. So we'll be planting the others at the other locations.
Together we are unstoppable.